sanggol. Kaya masira, para malalo.
Sa sindikato mga hindi.
Yan ang huwag mo yung gagawin. Tayong protector niya. Mas masisira tayo sa sila.
Wala ka na magagawa Ramon. May karapatan ako at ang anak ko sa lahat ng kayamanan at kapangyarihan ng mga Montenegro.
Urihan ang anak ko sa pamilya.
Pero natirang lang din ng kaya hindi ka matuwa.
Hindi ako tigilan na hindi nabibigyan ng pagkakuman ng pagkakamay mo. Igagamit kita. Papatayin ko sila ng Guerrero. Hindi ako papayag sa ginawa niya sa'yo.
Sir,
Ano yun?
may bago kami tungkol sa tangkang magpatay kay Mayor Guerrero. Ito po.
Makapagod ka na.
Aldo, Tagi, good evening.
Aba, si Tanggol. Umalis, kasama niya ang kwento. Panilibig yata si David.
Ramon, ba't hindi nagpaalam si Tanggol?
Yan mo tatawagan ko.
Pa, I make you some tea.
Salamat. Bakit nandiyan ba? Ano na pong ngayon dito? Tuloy kayo na nga, Ramon. Bakit ba bigyan tayo loob po kayo, Lydia? Sinungaling ka. Sinabi mo na meron pang isang Montenegro. Ibibigin mo si Olivia hindi lamang sa'yo, kundi sa lahat. Nangako na sila ay hindi ko sasabihin ang katotohanan dahil ang akala ko mas baka mumunin kong Olivia lumaki sa mga Guerrero. Hindi ko para mapatunayan ang sarili ko sa'yo. Sinigurado ang utos mo. Pero, may lihim ka pa rin. Ano mo ba sikreto ng tinatago mo ako? Hindi ko alam. Baka kailangan rin mo sabihin ang katotohanan. Hindi ko alam na itatakwil ng mga Guerrero si Olivia. Bakit hindi mo nakakalimutan ang mga nangyari? Nagkapat mo lang sa Olivia. Bilang iyong mga kapatid. Pero mo ang ating pamilya. No.
It's a no.
Baka! Pinihiraw na permiso si Olivia na sa pagdating ko. May karapatan siya na mamamahay kayo. Hindi ba masapat sa'yo, na tinulungan kita para umunlad ang negosyo at yumaman tayo ng ganito? Walang ibang pwede mamangkin dito. Kung hindi, ang anak ko.
Ayoko maging dahilan ng pag-aaway ni Ramon. Ini-stress ng pulis na lang kami.
Hindi. Hindi ka alis. May karapatan ka bilang isang Montenegro. Walang karapatan ng babae yan. Saya hindi magkakaroon ng pang linya na yan. Sa pamamahay nito.
Roberto, si Colonel Romero nandito.
Colonel. Ang balita na naligaw ka.
Mayor, may sensitive information kami natanggap na dapat mo malaman.
Ano yun?
Tungkol ito sa unang assassination attempt sa'yo.
Okay, doon, doon.
Nakikit namin yung isang suspect na nahuli namin. Kasi kinanta niya kung sino ang mastermind na nagbayad para ipapatay ka.
Sino tao niya?
Sir Antonio,
Sino?
si Olivia, yung kapatid mo.
Ano? Ate mo?
Nagawa niya natin yung niya na ipapatay ako para lang makuha niya yung posisyon.
Ganun nga po lumalabas ngayon. At ngayon nasa kabilang sila na siya. Mas lalo kayo dapat mag-iba.
Hindi naman matapos ang pangunguna pala namin ng mga matulay. Kailangan yung pagbayang ng ginawa niya. Pero, papagulong ko muna sila. Siguraduhin ko matatapos sila. Tawagin mo ba kayo? Ngayon, sa akin.
Ngayon, nakakulong si Dima iba.
Bakit?
Parang nasiraan ng país sa pagkamatay ng anak niya. Pilit-pilit niya yung pagkay at nag-urmentado.
Wala akong pakialam po nung mga ginawa hindi magiba. Kaya mo yan, kailangan ko siya.
Ang susunod na yun. Tuloy na po. Ma'am,
Ito lang si Fred Reyes South.
Well, the beauty now of the review is, referees are human, just like players. Players will miss threes or miss free throws. And you want to review it to get the play right. Because of the three-point shooting, look at the selfishness of this Barangay member team. Just setting guys up in the last second for open threes.
And the Wiggins coming off the pass. The percentage is so much higher for Barangay Ginebra as opposed to those one-on-one breakdown three-point shots that they had only a couple of here in the first half.
To beat Ginebra, you also have to lock in defensively, right? Because that make you pay. So one thing I noticed with San Miguel is they're not making their threes, but they're not transitioning down. And you know, when Ginebra's attacking, you have to be good one-on-one defensively because if you get beat and they're low lines, you have to help, and that leads to open shots.
Right up to the first and home as we are chasing the hit. Manning will be goes down at the power forward spot. Marcio, three-point shot, it's gone. be already injured, already hurt. Cap of Jumar Fajardo.
Gap is tricky because, you know, that's, you get explosiveness from that. And when it happens and it reoccurs, it's even harder to come back from it. Expect that Ginebra to capitalize on this, and if he gets back in, they're going to use it. Awesome drive for Jumar.
I look back at the career of Jumar Fajardo, drafted in 2012. His first basket was a slam dunk and one, and you know that the PGA
It's different.
would not be the same after the
Look at that. Look at that. 10-time PBA champion, 8-time MVP, 4th and finals MVP. Will we ever see a more dominant player, you know? There'll be decades, you can argue that Ramon and Presidente Fernandez or Jumar.
older people will always say,
That's debatable.
always say, let's just run it further. You will never agree on anything. But what is clear is that Jumar has been aggressively running for those rebounds, trying to give his teammates some confidence in those outside shots that he will be worked on by their training staff. Trying to get it fit again. A recovery for Barangay Ginebra. Barrientos, hoping for three. No good. Rebound for the bid. Jason inside. One pass. And Chaka scores. With a short snap.
This guy over helping by San Miguel, allowing those touch passes.
And Chris Ross. Asking for a shooting foul.
He vehemently disagrees. Asking for that as the whole San Miguel beer coaching staff and players are up.
Coach Leo. Ask for head coach Stepping.
He's living right now, Coach Leo. You know, as a coach, you don't want to challenge him right away because if you challenge him, you only have one more. Right? Sometimes coaches want to save the challenge in the second half. Now you have to waste it, and he'll only have one more in the second half.
Well, that is if this is successful. If it's not, not for the day. But you know what? You're looking at more possible free throws. And in a tight game like this, Coach Luigi, you never know. So Coach Leo might have felt that it would be worth it to take this challenge early in this game.
I love the coach's challenge just because, you know, it gives the referees a chance to really look at the play and have some help and get it right, right, for both teams, right? And there's no advantage here. It could go to either team. But, you know, it's involved and it's something that it's still a work in progress, which they really felt that sometimes after you dribble, you foul and you dribble and it's not there, but they're saying the foul came after you dribble. So, they will review it. There's no one who said earlier, you have to give it the head. I didn't come down and shoot this one foul.
And it's interesting because I think that he's not really the type of team. They use up all their fouls. At the end of the quarter situation, usually Coach Leo just ask them to play straight up honest defense. But this is like one of the better always plays for us. And they always the foul. So he ran out and committed it.
Sino?
Pwes! Eh di yung Marites. Yung kinakalampagay niya naman. Nakita mo ba kung paano siya tratuhin ng papa? Pwede siyang pagmulan ng away between Papa and Ramon. At pag nangyari yung senaryo, ako ang nakapagyan. Okay, dito tayo. Dito lahat yan, pasok.
Ito na yan.
Dahan, that Spanish letter. Mas mahal pa yan kaysa sa buhay mo. Okay, magamit ko na sa kotse. Bitis! Go!
Ate Olivia, anong nangyari?
Ate, Olivia na lang. Pag naman hindi nagkakalayo ang edad natin. Is this your room? Parang hindi ka naman nagpapagay dito.
Anong ginagawa ng gamit mo dito?
Maring. Maring, right?
Marites,
Of course, Marites. Marites, nag-usap kasi kami ng papa. Sabi niya sa akin, pwede akong mamili ng kwarto dito sa mansion. And I heard that to like this one. So if you don't mind, ipalipat na natin yung mga gamit mo.
sige na. Pwedeng ipaalam ko lang kay Ramon tsaka kay Dormund na nalilipat ako.
Ipapaalam mo sa papa ko? Bakit hindi ka nakapagdinay mo ah? You know what? It's really no problem. Pwede ka naman dun sa kwarto ng mga muchacha. Lorenzo,
Pero,
tulungan mo si Marites sa mga gamit niya.
Dok. Anong nangyayari dito?
Ramon, I was just picking a room.
Bakit ito? Ipitis ito.
Ganun ba? Pasensya ka na, kuya. Hindi ko alam. Marites, I'm so sorry.
Ano, kung napapaikot na si Papa, ako hindi mo ako manayoko. Hindi pa lang kita makakita. Basta kita. Alam ko na ang pagkatao
Pasyalan mo ko sa Inuwan. Gusto mo na ba siya? Ay, happy yet, ha?
Siguro, ako si Prinsipe Uwi.
Alam mo, kapatid ako ng prinsipe ng 9-1. Ano to? Bawal ako lumabas.
Mukhang masaya pa ngayon ang nag-iisip eh. Kaya, nagsasama ko.
Si Jana, kasi talaga ako nagtigaling.
Kung mapapagsak na ulan, baka di tayo mabot.
June 12, weeknights, 10:15 p.m.
Bakit hindi ka sa second line ng casino? Kung halos lahat ng dishwashing at frying na. Enjoy free extra cleaning power. Sa pata, free extra sa naging set.
Ay, parang tuloy!
Enjoy free extra cleaning power.
Huwag ko magpalinis! Nagulat pa ako sa kusot! Ang dilaw! Nakakahiya!
Bulag ka? Mag-dive ka? Meron mga paninginaw sa dive. Agos linis, patipayo at kilikili.
Ang puti!
Dive, pag-series, lahat sa paninginaw. KFC Snack Pillow Bundle, 85 pesos lang, 2 to 5 p.m. Takbunan!
Sa pillow ng KFC!
No one's giving you to hair salt. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamin from Pantene. Formula with provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Madalas pagod kapag diabetic. Hindi na ako ganoon.
Lucerna with a unique triple control system helps control blood sugar levels up to 90% of the time for steady energy.
Basta nagtulong at Lucerna, in control ka.
Daghan na nagsabi na ako. Usap, Parex Week. Pilipinas ay Parex Friday. Kapag may umaasa sa'yo, hindi dapat magpalit mo sa kalay kung sobrang hilig sa tulong. Parex Vitamin B1, B6, B12. And it's me. Show how much you care every day.
Green Cross Daily Care. Zero protection and skin vitamins in up to 5 hours of moisture lock. Green Cross Daily Care. Never did again.
Instant carbonara, ready in 3 minutes. Kung walang pasta, ihalo ang sauce, spray ka ng toppings. Wow! Delish instant pasta! 60 pesos lang. Yung wow pasta, instant spaghetti carbonara ready in 3 minutes. And roll now.
Basta Gardenia, masustansya. Si Bunso, masigla sa lahat. Masigla sa sagot.
Ang gardenia, mas ma-vitamins, mas ma-minerals, mas masustansya.
It's allergy. Pag sa Terrazine ang reseta, allergen. Number 1 and most being prescribed sa Terrazine. Fast acting, all day ginawa. Sa allergy ng kit, number 1 sa Terrazine allergen.
Yan. Ang mga sa chicken asal, ginawa na ang laki-laki. Kita at mga pinagsama, tira mo sarap, ang sarap-sarap. Sulit, kaya saan? Masarap sa pag-inasal, chicken asal. Hirap sa hika, hirap sa plema. Pag may hirap, may ginawa. Take it easy. Sa Blemex Forte Capsule, nagumbi, natural, nagpulong para tunawin at kalabasin ng plema. Ang Blemex Forte Capsule ay ginhawang magaang dalhin, madaling bitbitin. Ginhawa ang dugo. Sa upot hika, Blemex Forte Capsule. Sa lumbi, Blemex. Easy.
Basketball has always been a big part of my life. To be great, to be good at everything. Be passionate about something, you really don't like to lose. It's game day with the 88 Sports.
Bet88.ph. Then nothing right here. Switch to Samsung Happy Diet, a two-in-one solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smooth hair. Kaya no dandruff na, healthy, smooth hair pa. Sunsilk.
Parang gusto nung makatikim ah. Nang perfume,
You gotta really stick with me. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Ma'am, Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
Promise me, hindi ka mabibigil. With backing aid, hindi ka mabibigil sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte mo. Bet8.ph.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema, lingwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata. Oh, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Dahil ako na. 60-40.
Oh,
Napakalaki ho ng tanggol. 60% sa kanya. 40% lang ho kay Mayor Billy. Parang ibang klase talaga. Ang tao, tanggol. Totoo ba yan?
Ay, Sandy.
Kano ka? Survey na yan?
Baka naman, pa-survey ko ng kabila. Eh di dapat, mag-pa-survey din tayo ng para sa atin. Tapos, Sandy, malagali mo ng 100% dito.
Exactly.
Frank, this is an independent, very reliable firm sinaunuwa. They're consistent, even very accurate. 95% accurate itong mga nakaraang ilang dekada sa election ng South natin dito sa NCR.
Sagis na rin. Hindi ko maintindihan kung paano nangyari yan.
Lahat ng baho at dumi na pinag sa amin, ikaw mismo na kayo, di ba? Ayos na yun, ayos na. Pagkatapos ng state of natin, sinuman natin na si Tanggol o anong klaseng pagkatao niya. Kung nag-pilot tayo sa NPC, dahil pinipin niya. So, doon pa lang, kawawa yung anak ko.
Actually, Mayor, malaking factor nung nangyari yung filing of candidacy ito. Nag-turn off ang tao sa pangmamalikit ni Mayor Miguelito sa pinagkulan ni Tanggol. Kaya yung mga mahihira natin makagaling sa wala, mas lalong kumakit kay Tanggol sa mga tao niya. I'm sorry, but it looks like nung araw na yun, ang totoong nagpakita ng tunay na kulay ay si Mayor Miguelito.
kayo sa akin.
Kailangan natin umalis ng Manila. Nagkagulagay natin ito. Sigurado ako maraming tauhan ng kalat. Wala natin tayo.
Ako kahit saan ako punta sigurado nakakita tayo eh. Napapatayin tayo dahil hindi ko ako.
Papo, hindi ba tayo gaganti? Hindi ba natin bibigyan ng justisya pagkapatay ni Mao? Grabe, buhay natin yun. Tao yung kalaban natin. Namatay tayo lahat.
Mga sinurno, ang importante ngayon ay mailigtas ko ang buhay ninyo. Kapag alam ko lumitas kayo, ako mismo ang babalik dito para ipag-igat si Gracia. Papatayin ko sila lahat. Sa gitna ng kagubatan, sa isang palasyo, may nakatirang isang prinsesa. Malungkot ang buhay niya.
Dahil kakaliwa ka, hindi mo dapat kagalan ng isang halimbawa o pumunta.
Hey, Paglabies! Sabog launch ng favorite girl natin.
Yeah, we are natin. Kahit sino naman, hindi palalagpasin makapagpapansay.
Promise, Pat. Autograph.
Promise.
Iya, kailangan mo siya.
Mas ba matakot sa'yo?
Mukha kasi mga
Isang batang lalaki na isip. Pinalay kasi siya ni Batid. Ang espiritu ng mga bawang. Si Red.
Hindi mo ko kilala. Mukhang yun yung gusto talaga na gusto makita kayo.
Hey, you're here.
Paano ko sabihin ko sa'yo na ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nandito? Bakit sa mga mata mo? Para siya yung sa taong nakilala ko.
Easy ka na. Nalilate si Matmat at si Patpat.
Ikaw lang ang maasahan na ikaw pagdating sa kapatid mo, ha? Pang habang panahon, makakasama niyo ako.
Talaga bigyan ng station ng nanay mo. Sumarap ka kami nag-iisang witness. Talaga ng paro-paro. Alam ko mo yun.
Yan daw ang parang ng mga espiritu dito sa sila. Para sa tingin na nilarating ng mundo.
Kailan mo ba ako?
Paano kayo nagkakilala? Pinagtatagpo kami ni Keston.
Dumating ko dito yung anak ko. Naalala niyo ba siya? Ayaw ko pagpili sa akin yung sagot tungkol sa pagkamatay ng nanay namin.
Hi, Nanny Matmat.
Sulilimatan mo, Glory, para kay Miss Mia.
Nagilap na ako. Pati ang kapatid ko.
Hindi mo matatakasan kung ano yung katalahan sa iyo.
Germs everywhere! Acting like kid. May music for your life. Shop, shop, shop. Protection 24 hours. Para sa pamilya. Safeguard.
Sa segundo naman, pinunta ka ng posible man chapter na susunod sa pag-uniform. Ikay na detergent.
Sayang, posible. Malas ng gatas at pinagdalaw. Dennis, power play.
Pwede hindi na tumili na para mo.
Ay, posible rin siya. Posible sayang. Milo Morning Champs. More and more of challenges is sweet. Kaya more and more dapat ang energy. One Milo Morning. Milo is clinically proven to help sustain energy. More and more wins with Milo Morning every day.
Kakaibang walk sarap.
Sarap pa, Jam. Tinuloy na labas ang detergent na. Marami na iwan pang germs. With Sunrock's Color Safe. Expert tumatay ng up to 99.9% germs na di kaya ng detergent lang. Kulay at ibis, ipang malaki. With Sunrock's Color Safe.
sa Gcash. Yung buy load with free health insurance. May load ka na, insured ka pa. Sa Gcash, kaya pala. Load ka sa Gcash.
Kahit nagpas ka na sa alibanin, marami na pang gusto gawin sa buhay. Pero humihina ng karoon mo. Mag-Gerber, Adult Plus na. Tobig mo ng katawan at resistensya ng nutrients na para sa edad mo. Tulog para tuloy ang tibay. Gerber Adult Plus. Meray, magnanito. Meray, magnanito. Dahil gusto namin na bumalik kayo. Ready to enjoy more chicken joyous moments? Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Chicken joy. Try a new chicken joy for few pairs.
Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Idalhin mo si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite. Promise me, hindi ka mabibitin.
With that 88, hindi ka mapipigil sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash and ang panalo mo. Ibang swerte mo. Bet88.ph.
Ang deserve mo at mainit corn tuna. Siksik, sarap at sulit. See? Konti na ang natika. Nusok na masarap ang masarap. Switch to San Marino corn tuna. Diba? You deserve.
Ganda ng hair! Mag-hairstyle tayo for the show. Ano pa ba hair ko? Let's grow it! Sunsilk Strong and Hot with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil. For hair that's 3 times stronger and better looking as it grows long. Amazing! Sunsilk!
This is fried chicken. And here's one from Food Panda with 100 pesos off. Now that tastes like a good deal.
Sarap mag-road trip. Sobrang sakit.
Relax na.
Flanax nails will real cause of pain. With care.
Kaya sa natin na to.
Sobrang sakit.
From Tyson.
Sobrang sakit. Relax lang.
Flanax nails will real cause of pain. With care.
Sobrang sakit.
From Tyson. Ang hanap ng Rainbow Spear, extra strong na tulad mo. Lakas ng tama pero di masaksak hamon ng bukas. Pero ito, the number one electronic in the world.
anything. I will not lose the tanggol. Dapat matapos ang tanggol bago magaling. Si Santino mismo ang puputol ng ulo ng tanggol. Pinapangako mo. Pero hindi pa kami tapos ang mundo. Kaya makakatulong sa akin. Dapat magaling.
Tingnan mo yung pagkasinan. Pag-ikigat ko.
Siya ko kami sa'yo, tanggol. Pinapangako mo sa pupuntay na kumaya.
FBJ's Panakyapo.
Ang programa nito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masisirang tema.
Naval Spirit of the Philippines, the Malapap Capitol, the Bravo Silent Extraction. Alpha Team will reach the north entrance. Ingay tayo. Huwag ka panic. Make it seem like full scale.
Coach Leo Austria, based on Chris Boss. Okay. In the second quarter, Scotty attack this time. The pass. Nash with all Rosario to the next inside.
See how the volume happens and the breakdown of blue lines. So everybody's over helping. They're really testing defensive patience.
CJ misses on the base. On from the board.
And result in running.
Oh, the pass connects. Chaka. This is the man. He was played behind by Puma.
One way they're making too much hay is they're running down. Those bigs are running down. Well, see, Denver does so much switching. Let's say Rosario switches on the guard. He's the first guy down. So the guard has to get it, right? And you see this. Like, Jacket every time running down. This is one game where you're also testing first. Puma's not 100% in a part.
Also, how that starts to come for the push that was halfway home. Jump in. And it's okay about Pumas. Oh, yeah. On the sideline.
Senior so I remember last year, Denver was in the situation. We were in the situation in Denver where we were down 3-2. Right? Denver, the opposite, they're down 3-2. They've got to win 2 games in the semis. You know the veterans, Scott, Jack, and we know this already. So see how I
RLP, Arvin Santos. Any attendance? 9-point lead for Barangay Ginebras for inching towards the midway mark of this first quarter, game 7. So we got the ball game versus Richmond's again. CJ tries the second defender, not a problem for the head as he hits the layup.
It was like this in the second quarter. They were up by 9. So they kept their poise, started attacking the paint, started settling down, started really showing their dominance also, pounding the ball inside. They need to do it at second quarter.
Overlooking handoff coming from Barangay Ginebra. Chop it inside, can't take it. He battles for the rebound, it will side with SMB.
And Leo is opting for Taupua. So off the pick and rolls, Taupua as well. But Jacket rolls, you have a bigger Taupua who matches Jacket.
After a chest match with Eagles Leo Austria. Posting going up Taupua. Posting up against Rosario. Goes to the spin. Another big bucket for Taupua. He has been on point and aggressively looking for his offense in game 7.
He did make that one as well. I think one in the backside of the field. Oh, going to work. Comes that ball moving up. Beautiful pass by Scotty.
Usually that connection is automatic 2 points for Barangay Ginebra. As we all foul ball, blocking foul. Back against Blue Mark.
really beaten Ginebra back and do on those offensive rebounds and putbacks. Ginebra naman, they're really working the ball, really breaking them down with this triangle, finding somebody to break down and then make them pay.
Scotty on the handoff. Good ball screen. Stephen Hall, quick trigger. 3-point side ball.
Guys are falling asleep. Oh, hear this crowd roar, they can feel it.
All those 3-point shots assisted. Ginebra banking on the long ball to get them an 8-point lead. Size advantage here for Tampua. Double team bounce. He tried to pass inside instead goes to Coliano. On the reversal, Chris Cross for 4. No.
Lumar was begging for the ball inside.
Oh, it's the break. He will wait for RJ Barrientos to set the play. Rosario popping out the ball screen. RJ to Stephen Hall. Shot clock is at 9. Hall leaves it for Jacket. Jumper. And now it is the biggest lead of the ball game for Barangay Ginebra. They're stretching out the defense of the San Miguel Beermen, staying patient, multiple passes, the creation, the kick out, and the bucket for Stephen Hall.
Yeah, here, just the patience of Ginebra, like you said. Here you'll see it again, they attack the double team, that's an advantage. You kick it out to an open shot. Jacket knocking the beauty down.
Jacket, liking that one, as he was set up perfectly by Stephen Hall for the two-man action. So all the five there from the floor. Luigi has scored in double digits for Barangay Ginebra.
The thing with Ginebra is they're really locked in terms of getting defense, and 1 point, there's no bad shot. They're running the pick and roll, they're really testing Lumar, they're making that extra pass. As we see, still got it close out practice.
With attendance, enjoying the action. Because they're always fans with Eddie and Romeo in support of their friend right now. Playing for Barangay Ginebra. CJ must make some noise here while Lumar is on the bench. CJ, great check on the top end. Ginebra on the run. Barrientos, he counted by Chris Ross. He'll pull it back out. He'll stay patient. Great section of the ball screen from RJ. He has a big one here. RJ pulls the trigger. This is for CJ. No one else touching that basketball for Barangay Ginebra. CJ loses complete control.
A little bit of frustration now by San Miguel. They're really complaining to the referees.
And this Levi Detective stop of the half is brought to you by Pioneer de la Cecil. Pioneer de la Cecil, Levi Defense, Pilit sa Pakulan. De la Cecil na yan. 10-point lead for Barangay Ginebra with an opportunity to add to this. From that progress line.
Mas mahihina ang init at ulan ngayon, kaya dapat ilastusin na kung sa Lasomer 3X formula, UV resistant, full of flexible premium polymers. Matibay, 3 times at tumatagal versus medium. Kahit hindi ito tagpulan, ilastusin mo yan. Pioneer, do it right. For those who are always on a mission. Keep the internet connection going with PLDT Home Always On. First in the world fiber and LTE in one device with automatic service ticketing.
This program is brought to you by PLDT Home, always on.
bit short again. Versus the PNP Mantika. So we go to the finals. Both teams wanting another shot at the big dance, another opportunity. So that is long distance rivals here in the PBA. 70-60 is the count, a 10-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. They have momentum. Abarientos loses it on the way up and will step down. Barangay Ginebra 3.7 on the clock.
Here you'll see this defensive swing.
Stephen Gold off the fake, the jumper short. Walter Abdullah. And Casey running alongside Chris Moss. And Casey gets off for the foul.
So he's just starting to not agree with the call.
Open challenge, yes he will.
Yeah, he's asking for it. You can't get a challenge because the ref has not given the ball out. Once the ref gives the ball out, you can't challenge it anymore. So you always have to be quick at watching it. If he does not agree with it, he's going to test this one.
Sometimes they're doing it from their iPad.
You know, I'm trying to say something.
But it's all the rules of the trade. We should maximize the head coach challenge. For all of our head tacticians.
10 points, 2 minutes. It's going to be a pivotal ball. But if you look at Ginebra's lineup right now versus Philippines, Alonso, Rosario, Barrientos, and Anisi.
My only thing about this challenge is history mark. If you're successful, it's not good. If you're not successful, it's a sign up for history. It is not successful as the back leg. I think if you see from this angle, the back leg kind of takes away the front leg of Chris Ross. It has to be lost balance because of the ball tap.
So the one thing consistent is both challenges were nullified. CJ gets the break. You know, something else got to keep it close. You want to see CJ at his strength where he's attacking the basket. Here they're looking for that one-on-one Barrientos just brought the other with a good screen to clear space for CJ. Kanina earlier, it was Coach Leo challenge. Remember that 4-point play was they nullified. It could have gone either way. You see the crowd, the fans react.
Making that back to attack quickly on the other side. Abarientos. Alonso, Jamie must find the first half, get back this side. Injected. Gets the ball in the foul.
The body, the strength of Alonso to just get the head one. I mean, take this outward. Get back. He sees the blue light coming in and then he just attacks. Both sitting down there.
72-62 is the correct score as of this moment. With the Jamie Alonso giving up for the bonus free throw. The officials find out quickly around the scorers. So that's the situation again. The division basketball season has not protected yet. Here at this bucket from Jamie Alonso. Back-to-back opportunities. Also, it's the bonus free throw to their side.
Ginebra has locked it to the basket at will, most especially after 1 or 2 baskets. And, you know, the thing with Ginebra is they made their shots, and they made their threes, they made those penetrations, playing it selfish. When your key guy like that, Jumar goes down, that's also mental.
And our series so far has been this way. And again, if you look at the win, 1, 3, and 6, 90 points on the good work. And the San Diego unit, 14 fans could take a quick break with his official time.
No worries dahil only ang saya with TNT Saya Up. May only FB, only IG, only Messenger, only TikTok, only ML, only Chikahan, plus data for all apps and sites. Sulit talaga, kaya load na sa TNT.
Experience ko na ang lahat ng mga sorpresa at mga practical activities natin. At hindi lang ito nakapili ang pagkulitan ng sorpresa para sa iyo. Napakarami pa namin mga prizes na pwede namin bigay. So, mga kapibig na kaya namin kayo na manood sa ating mga PNP Days 5 para ma-experience ko na ang ating PNP Experience.
This program is brought to you by Pioneer Epoxy.
Back inside the big long match for Game 7 of the semifinals. The attendance is 12,279. And each and every one of them. The elements was here and St. Jude as well. Joining us over to the rush. And to the side, party on the front. With total reaching 80 on the ball. And then with our point side report, and then we're just leaving the real situation becomes longer. And it's not reflecting correctly. It is 17 to 16 in favor of Barangay Neta on the bonus free throw. Coming up with Jason Malone and Mark Mayo. In attendance, will be playing for Diaz Filipinas. And he's here. Jimmy Alonso is Diaz Filipinas teammate. A spectacular basketball in Game 7 of the decadal stint of 1 of 14 from the field in Game 6. And Javier Phillips and Gibbon made up for it.
Negative 16 in the plus finals for Game 6, but he started like a house on fire, making a three, making an end one. He's attacked the basket. He's actually had a hard matchup guarding CJ Perez. And he has been pivotal. You know, the strength of Ginebra already now, it's kind of changing. It's their versatility. You know, earlier they had Slaughter, they had Stan Mardinger. They had like more of a conventional lineup. Now you look at the pieces they've added in less than 2 years. You got Paul, you got Alonso, you got Abarrientos, you got Rosario. These are thoroughbreds who can not only play offense, can play defense as well.
And when you have Alonso and Paul able to switch from 1 to 4 and Carlos starting from 5 and the previous video and also options defended.
And you can argue there's the points in the paint that bigger than a win, but you look around the league right now, the teams that are winning are the ones with versatility. They have just cemented their team for the next 5-6 years with the young guns they've added with youth. And not rookies, they're experienced guys who know how to win as well.
But also completes that 3-point play as he has 15 points in the game. Biggest lead of the matchup now, 11 points for Barangay Ginebra. Chris Ross on the attack. This is for Arnold working hard on the offensive glass. This has kept him alive.
Yeah, and then nice to see Junior back. You want to see, you know, for any fan, you want to see the best players inside.
73-64, Abarrientos kicks it to Stephen Hall. On the 3, Williams don't foul it. Take the will be against Japet. Defense for 73-64, 9-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. With a minute and 3 seconds remaining in your third quarter. CJ Perez will take a break. Jake Cruz comes back into action.
Jericho's been out for a long time. I haven't seen it. The last time he was there was, I think, early second quarter.
Moore takes out Jericho. 3 posts. Good hands from Japet. As they get the stop. Now they got Anisi will not rush it. He will allow RJ Barrientos to set up the play. Anisi gets it back. Asking for some movement. Now the screen box out for Japet. RJ goes to Stephen Gold. Only for the shoot for Barangay Ginebra. They need to move quickly. Barrientos throws it up. This is everything. That play went nowhere. Open touch for nothing for Barangay Ginebra.
A little bit too safe there for Ginebra. Coach Tim, not happy with that. He wants more movement in. You know, but credit Japet's defense on Jumar. It hasn't been easy for the multi-MVP Fajardo. Japet's been playing good defense on him.
This cross recovers. Locates Jericho. Cruz squeezing his way inside. The big out back is snapped out by Malonzo. 6.5% here.
And you see the versatility of Ginebra once that ball enters the paint. On the weak side, they're on point with their rotations. The other side, you would say, again, how many times Ginebra had open threes because of the rotations are not as solid.
These are crucial attacks coming from this cross just to give themselves an opportunity to stay within striking distance. Barangay Ginebra at the end of our third quarter. It is Barangay Ginebra that will take the lead. Their hot shooting from the three-point range has allowed them to build their own advantage. 7 points, 73-67. Getting into the board for the final quarter of action in Game 7. Who will advance to the finals of the NBA 49 season? Philippines Cup will find out in the last 12 minutes of the match. Second side of it home. We're awaiting the start of the fourth quarter here in Game 7. The story so far. The matchup between Jumar Fajardo and Jonathan Aguilar. Double-double as usual for Jumar. On points and 50 rebounds for Jonathan. Doing everything he can to make it difficult for Jumar and steal their contributions on both ends of the floor. CJ Perez, Scotty Thompson, Gilas Filipinos players, they ran their own battle. They're efficient from the three-point range from Scotty Thompson. Almost exclusively on the attack for CJ. But a big story in this match as well is Noel Rosario as gets scattered. 11 points and 5 rebounds, but can definitely feel the impact that he brings to the table. You cannot turn your head over Noel Rosario if you're a defender because his teammates can just easily come to one over to it.
So they call it late for Rosario except in post when they saw the mismatch, right? So it's more like it's garbage points. It's like once in a while they'll dump the ball. But again, these are the unsung heroes of Ginebra. All and Rosario, Japet, where you see them score a little bit, but it's the dirty work. It's the running the floor, setting screens, defending.
We begin the final quarter with Ross Mariano Cruz from Yahoo. And Jumar as a final coach. Ray Austria now will be back against Scotty Thompson. And with Jumar to this strike.
It's good for Jumar because I mean, Reds that make his free throws, the quicker the game goes up and down, the harder for the big man. Sometimes you want to foul a big if you can't hit the free throw. But with Jumar, he's got a really a nice soft contact. So, you know, there's some bigs in the league that you can foul to make them earn it. Their percentage is nowhere near Jumar. With Jumar, you know, they keep paying if you put him on the free throw line.
Marco staying patient. 83% from the free throw line here in this series. As he inches some years even closer
Big steal by Ross.
There you go. Juliano, here we go. SMB. On star in the final period.
No look now. 3-point lead. Everything said and done. San Miguel one possession away from tying it. This is what someone was saying where Young's not in the middle because he's a good decision maker. He will find open guys. Even in the national team.
Beautiful pass. And that slip off the hand of Stephen Oldie's on rush passes that he did not do with this was lurking around.
And there's a saying, right? You make your own cup. So you see San Miguel comfortable with the zone where they're actively taking the ball, and that's why they get the possession.
Chris Ross being a difference maker here in this game. Was a BNP for 2 games here in the finals. And now Diaz was inside, and it's a 1-point game.
Looked like an end one even. The refs let that go, and you're right. It's a one possession game. This zone has given it never fits. I mean, they have to move the ball, but it's sitting Junior in the block where he doesn't have to come out.
Barrientos to the corner. Scrappy inside. An important shot for Barca Ginebra. As Coach Edmundo used the ball at the right now.
When he made the substitutions, he took out Anisi and Malonzo, setting for Barrientos and Rosario, guys who probably more he likes in the zone.
Chris Ross will get back to the game from Barrientos. Pass Mariano from the outside. That's holy. And just like that, we're tied.
9-point lead wiped out.
And it has been the other guys, the non-strikers, the second unit energy players making a difference in the fourth quarter for Coach Greg Austria. Derek Cruz, Rocky Gordia, Chris Ross, and this play from Don Mariano. Force was picked for an early lineup as the score is 5-77 with 9:36 left in the fourth quarter.
This program is brought to you by Pioneer Elastoseal.
Mas mabibigyan ang init at ulan ngayon kaya dapat elastosin na with Solasomer 3X Formula UV resistant puno ng flexible premium polymers. Matibay, 3 times sa tumatagal versus clean break. Pag ganito tagulan, elastosin mo yan. Pioneer, do it right.
Huwag kang matakot, di ba alam, nandito lang. Huwag kang matakot na magtulog mag-isa, kasama mo naman ako. Huwag kang matakot,
You are still watching the 49th season of the PBA Philippine Cup here on PBA Rush and Pilipinas Live. Over in San Miguel, Coach De Austria urges players to play with composure in the third quarter. The Express team as players drop their shots instead of setting things up properly and taking the time to make those extra passes. Aside from that, he also emphasized better defensive effort to avoid Ginebra going on scoring runs. As for Ginebra, Coach De called for every single player on the floor to do their absolute best to perform their respective roles. And this was because of several sequences where there were miscommunications between players. So overall, it's about being accountable in those lapses to avoid a lead for SMB in this last quarter. Carlos, Luigi, back to you guys.
Thank you for that report, Bea. 9:36 left in the fourth quarter. Welcome back inside the main office. Thank you for joining us on PBA Rush and Pilipinas Live. It is a heavy defensive mindset being employed by SMB that changed the game here in the final quarter. The zone has always been the breaking case of emergency for Coach Leo Austria. Throughout his stint here with SMB, let's see if will break it or he won't as he makes on the triple. SMB on the push.
Which they're not afraid to break the zone. We've seen it many times.
This is open, but again, it's coming from Jericho. Give out block. Sit back by Chapman.
What a block by Chapman. He's been bumping out there.
First big one for the final quarter landed by SMB. Can Barangay never respond? They're playing their zone defense. Big pass.
PL is getting some easy transition points, and Junmar is on the shaded lane. They're not allowed to exploit Junmar in the pick and roll.
That is a foul this time around coming from Chris Cross. From every championship run of Luigi for the San Miguel Beermen, there is one classic playoff loss performance. We're seeing it here in the fourth quarter. Another Ibay defensive stop and a half brought to by Pioneer. Ganassi Seal. Pioneer, Ganassi Seal, Ibay defense. So, kanina ang ulan, and that's what we are.
Juan Chokson has not gotten in because Ross is doing such a great job defending and doing a lot of stuff.
Oh no, this is open for San Miguel Beer. Jericho scores!
He is up and about. You know, the zone puts you in a transition formation. So if he never is not able to get the rebound, off the arc the races, here you'll see it. A rebound. All of a sudden, it's a fast break formation. You got 2-3 guys down ahead.
And all of a sudden, goes Luigi. A 4-point lead for S&P. Forcing this time out another one from Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel.
No worries, dahil only ang saya with TNT Saya. We only active, only IG, only Messenger, only TikTok, only ML, only Chikahan, plus data for all apps and sites. Sulit talaga, kaya load na sa TNT.
Defensive rebound. Chris Ross, the play.
How many times has he done that? You know, he has played a lot here in the second half. Wow.
Play across it on this play of side. That's back to the other side with a quick move.
Denver's got a rebound. Two clean possessions by San Miguel. And those offensive boards give them opportunities.
There they go. Attacks middle. Takes the three. Give it go. Throws inside. Lewis, good back. Big one. Another offensive rebound for SMB.
It's not what Juma doesn't have the ball in his arms, but can't be helped. And even if he just leans in, he gets it. Here comes that triangle zone. Ginebra, they got the guard in the corner.
RJ runs forward. That's short. Oh, they're with effort coming from Scotty. Scotty starts again.
What a rebound by Scotty. Scotty doing special plays.
This game, coach, does have everything. The ebb and flow. The momentum. Currently up in the air, as you can see. Scotty leaping. Saving that possession. And for Rosario, getting back to that confidence to get them into 8-6-8-4. From this time on.
He's really sacrificed. So you look when he was in that water, he was a main guy. Walton Terrafer was a main guy, but they're not the main guys they're part of a team. So you don't know from Ginebra who's going to have the game. It's got it's all the key for these guys is once they got Rosario and Walton, they need to learn to defend. They can switch. So from Ginebra before having a Slaughter or a Douglas Bill, it's not Hardinger or Jack. Now they've gotten more versatile where you see Jack now elevate his game, make the five, four guys who can play multiple positions, right? And it is a very good situation where they're dominant with two hard goals. But they have a lot of nice role players. You've got Rodano, you've got Portial.
San Miguel during this fight as they have been now going together. But it was get going, shuffling up player here and there, keeping it fresh on the floor. Let's see how this will pan out in the final 5 minutes of this game. 5 minutes.
You have to give it to them. Just coming back down 9. Most teams are already fade. But San Miguel with a lot of pride, a lot of championships.
Delivered for good guard. Right, Chris Ross, another big play from the bench.
That's what I mean when you ISO Ross in the post. But how do you defend Jumar all of a sudden ceiling? So you think the mismatch is the post with Ross, but it's Jumar down there.
Drop it, goes inside. Oh, big wide denial. Kapag never regains possession. Scotty will not pull the trigger for three just yet. Thompson goes inside, takes out Alonso. Jamie attacks, stops the man defense. Oh, in net. The San Miguel Beerman.
What a defensive get by Jumar Kevin Block. And then now again, I think it was Ross and Washington. Here you see the block. And you see Rodiano again stop Malonzo. Quality basketball from both sides. You really don't know. I mean, both teams playing at a high level.
There you go, to that side on access. They won before the switch to take in Chris Ross. Once again, that gives the numbers up again, folks. It's a foul. But before the shot attempt, 44 referee. Baseline throw in for the Beermen.
People, so you don't know how hard it is to make a finals. It's so hard to make a finals. And, you know, to me, like I talked to Technoia, we never saw them playing at a high level. I mean, it's so hard to make a final. These two teams slugging it out. Quality game.
Exactly their craft. They're in the series. Jericho. This is a pass. Cross another one. And gone.
They're earning it. Wow, Carlo. I mean, and Jericho finding Ross. You mentioned it. Ross has played sensational. Every game 6, Ross game 7.
Here we have one game like this. Every run and it is coming. With the most opportune moment. Number 3.
Used to will. They're right there. Big shots by big players. The big time. Ross, Alonso.
3 minutes, 14 remaining. Ross on the attack. Jericho takes the 4. They go inside now from Rombial. He has the side and he back to home.
Very unselfish now. I mean, a lot of points. A lot of points by Santiago moving the ball. So it's never right now.
Stephen Moles on the side, left in front, Keith, Barangay Ginebra, within striking distance, and he is the one for Christian right now.
Yes, but the beauty of they're just finding the women, making tough shots.
There you go. Active versus hold. The massive numbers in point to the paint, and Warm is in one. Blue Bar like rarely will you see this kind of a motion coming from Blue Bar, but you don't feel just how important this thing is, Blue Bar.
Santiago goes on to be the finals, they deserve it. They're sharing the basketball. Jericho finding Guardia, now finding Jumar. A little bit in. Tough shots by Santiago. So much pride in this organization. They won a lot of championships. They got upset last year. They're back in the fold. Coach Leo there, they've added key guys to help Jumar. Solid quality team.
Biggest game of the ball game now. For the San Miguel Beermen. Barangay Ginebra. They need something dangerous. Let's bring up the steal. It's gone.
Wow! Ross is all over the place. I mean, at his age, he was on the bench most of the year, and he comes up playing like that.
Here it is.
I think he's got about 4 or 5 steals. I mean, right there.
Yes, indeed. The pocket of Stephen Ball and bouncing all the way to the other side. Let him cross. Has made his appearance for the San Miguel Beermen.
You said it, Marlo. There's one game where you feel Chris Ross. And what a game to come. Game 7. Getting things, getting steals, being in your face. Something of basketball right there.
Story of the fans.
Stories of Salahaya.